Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Let me give you some more trading predictions for Bitcoin and other cryptos. Today is the 18th of May, and as I promised you in the last video, I told you that I was going to give you the predictions for this week. So these are the predictions for this week, as you can see, in the same format. I have been liking this new technique, this new strategy of doing predictions because it's very, very accurate. So first off, we can see that the total count of hits of power is heavily towards the green box. That means price is expected to be low for this week. That means obviously I believe we're going to see even more corrections. Okay, we're going to see the price drop drastically. Now, this is obviously very much in tune with what I have been saying. It's basically another. It was a bear rally, very very anomalous bear rally, but in the end, all bear rallies end up going to a new low. Now, I'm not saying this is going to happen right after, okay? On Bitcoin, I already told you that Bitcoin could go to the lows of 75k or 73k, okay, around that level. After that, we're going to see a bounce. It's going to be a very, very small bounce comparatively to this one. So we're going to see a lower high eventually on large time frames. And from that lower high, we're going to go down, and from there, we're going to find the bottom of the cycle. It's going to happen in some coins earlier, okay? Some others will take more time, but in the end, we're going to find the bottom around August to September. Uh, some might find it around June, okay? Maybe some altcoins. But yeah, from June, August, September, and early October are the best months for a bottom. Okay, so we're going to see the price go down eventually until we reach that bottom. Okay, it's no joke. People who have been believing all the lies that other delusional permabulls have been saying about this not being a 4 year cycle anymore. I mean, you guys are losing your money, and it's on you. It's your fault that you're losing your money. I mean, you keep listening to people who have no idea of how the markets work. Okay, now as I said, okay, we're going to see that I expect the price to be low on this week. We're going to see also that for the potential highs of this week, it's going to be very neutral because all of them have two powers each. There's not a single one who has more than that. So very equal across the board. So I really don't have any idea what's going to happen. What could be the highest position this week? Uh, I have to rely on higher magnitude predictions, and for that we have 17, 19 of May. Okay, and on the lows we have 24 of May. And notice that also we have 24 right here, which has the strongest number of hits of power. So we're going to see a very strong correlation with that day, 24 of May. So be prepared to see possibly the lowest position of the entire month around that date. Okay, so if we don't see the price bounce like really really soon, I mean around uh, maybe tomorrow, if we don't see that, we're going to see the price just go down and down and down and down. Okay, it's not going to stop until we reach around the 24. Okay, that will be the lowest position. On the structure for 10 hours, we see that we still have some supports around 81. Another below is 74. Okay, this could be the lowest that we can see Bitcoin at least on May, because like I said, I already showed you the levels that I have um, that I have drawn on this other chart, which is taking some time to load for some reason. So I'm going back to this one. Okay, you already saw the levels. I mean, I'll try it again in a couple of minutes, but yeah, let's just go for Bitcoin. So we can see Bitcoin, okay, was the most bullish coin already testing the monthly open. So I believe it's very, very likely that the month is already red for Bitcoin. Okay, just barely. Okay, it might actually look at like it's in range, but if we go to other coins like Ethereum, I mean, look at this, man. Ethereum dropping the ball so hard. I mean, look at this, bro. This is back to the early levels of April. Okay, very much a lot of trouble from what I can see with Ethereum. It was the best coin to short, no doubt, from all of this entire month, all of this very fake, obvious bull trap. So we're going to see these coins go lower. I mean, this is the actual information that I have. Let's see. So if we take what was the highest position? I believe April was the highest position for this rally on Ethereum. So if we do that projection for the levels, we're going to see that we're going to hit. We're already kind of hitting this level, okay? It's $2,000, just like that, plain $2,000. So very, very close relatively to that level. And lower than that takes us all the way down to this level. Uh, a good potential candidate for the bottom, no doubt. So we're going to see again, like I told you, these coins, cryptos still have a lot of room to drop. I don't know what people have been saying. The bottom is already in, and that we have already dropped a lot. I mean, we haven't even see anything regarding to the actual strength of the bear market. Okay. Anyways, I believe that's all I have for you. I already explained the predictions for Solana. Okay, notice because these are predictions only for Solana. Some of these days will, most I believe, will play out for other coins, but others obviously will have their own deviation. For example, I told you that on Solana, a very likely candidate for the highest position was going to be around the 11th of May. That's exactly what happened. But on Bitcoin, I believe the highest position was found a couple days earlier. Okay, so you have to do your own calculations. You have to do your own stuff regarding these predictions. Okay, just don't enter blindly and trade, for example, a coin like Aster or AVAX or Dogecoin just by using the Solana predictions. They might play out for some days and they might cause deviations for others. So that's all I have to say. Okay, again, take care, follow my work, follow me on X, on Twitter, and subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll see you guys next time.